Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, 2-inch lift kit, as well as dead 7-1 package, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here with the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. And onto these seats, you're going to have these leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Super nice. Left side you'll have your vents. Below you'll have your drive mode selector as well as your lighting control. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. The black bow tie. The right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. For the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip summary, as well as your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps as well. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree cameras, as well as your mirror cams and hitch. You got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as trailering and Amazon Alexa. And just below, with the wood and chrome accent, you got the lane keep assist, park assist, and auto stop, and as well as your hill descent control, part of the Z7-1 package. You're going to have the integrated brake controller right next to your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side. Center console, you're going to have the brand new shifter, lots of extra storage, as well as a wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. Wood and chrome goes all the way across. You got speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power rear sliding window. Here you got these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. You got the Z7-1 badging, the blacked out Duramax badging, as well as the paint match mirror caps, keyless entry door handle. You have the Trail Boss badging in the back, as well as your corner step bumper with the chrome dual exhaust, trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under, twin 2 Brancho shocks. You got the blackout lettering, as well as in the back here, 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port, and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again, more paneling storage right next to the speaker, power window with the wood and chrome accent. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver side, with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest. You got storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, clamps up top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with the 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as leather heated seats, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.